Inside ESL Learning. Mastering pronunciation. English vowels, the geometry of sound. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Inside ESL Learning. Today, we're unraveling the mechanics of English vowels and discovering the geometry of sound. Mastering English pronunciation isn't about guessing, it's about understanding how your vocal instrument actually works. If your native language is Spanish, your brain is used to a very simple system, just 5 clear, rigid vowels. But look at the English system on the right. We are dealing with 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. That's why mapping English directly onto a Spanish framework simply doesn't work. For a Spanish speaker, this means your mouth is being asked to navigate 15 entirely new destinations that simply do not exist in your native phonetic map. No wonder it feels like a workout. To master these new destinations, we have to look at the physical mechanics of speech. How do we actually produce a vowel? By definition, vowels are open sounds. Unlike consonants, where your lips, teeth, or tongue block the air, with a vowel, your vocal tract is completely clear. As shown in this sagittal diagram, air flows freely from your lungs through your throat without any friction or nasal obstruction. It's an open road. The sound originates at your vocal cords and is shaped entirely by 3 physical tuning variables: your jaw opening, your tongue position, and your lip shape. To visualize this geometry, we use the vowel chart. Along the top, we map tongue position from front to central to back. Down the side, we map jaw opening from close to mid to open. Notice how high front sounds, like the vowel in fleece, sit at the top left, while back sounds, like the vowel in moon, move to the top right. Meanwhile, central sounds, like the relaxed schwa in sofa or the short vowel in cup, occupy the middle and lower central space. Let's zoom in on a classic contrast, the long E sound versus the short I sound. Look at the anatomical diagrams on the left. For the long E, as in fleece or sheep, your tongue is tense, held high and forward. For the short I, as in kit or ship, your jaw drops slightly and your facial muscles relax. Muscle tension and tongue position make all the difference between taking a ship or seeing a sheep. Next up is English secret weapon, the schwa. Look at the relaxed posture in the diagram. The schwa requires 0 effort. Your mouth stays completely neutral while your vocal cords vibrate gently. It's the ultimate lazy sound, appearing in unstressed syllables like the start of about or the end of computer. Why is the schwa so important? Because of rhythm. Spanish is a syllable-timed language where every vowel receives equal weight, like steady waves. English, however, is stress-timed. Look at the word important. Content syllables are stretched and emphasized, while unstressed vowels reduce down to a quick schwa to keep the rhythm flowing. Beware of the R trap. In Spanish, you have one rigid central R sound. But English splits that exact space into 2 distinct destinations. The bright front vowel, as in bat, and the deeper central vowel, as in sun. Don't fall into the trap of flattening both into your native R sound. Resist the urge and master both targets. Now it's time to train your muscle memory with the shadowing technique. Step 1. Listen. Read the sentence on screen and listen closely as I model the pronunciation. Step 2. Repeat. Wait for the pause and repeat the sentence out loud. Step 3. Shadow. Finally, as we reach step 3, speak along with me in real time, matching my pace, pitch, and rhythm like an echo. Are you ready? Follow the protocol on the right-hand menu as the arrow moves through each stage. Listen. I need to buy a cup of coffee after class. Repeat. I need to buy a cup of coffee after class. Shadow. I need to buy a cup of coffee after class. Just 10 minutes of shadowing a day. That's all you need to master your rhythm and build true vocal confidence. Trust the process, refine your geometry, and keep practicing. See you in the next video.